As we all know, the sacred month of Muharram has begun. After Ramadan, fasting in this month carries immense spiritual reward. Hazrat Abu Hurairah, blessings on him, narrated that the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The best fasts after the month of Ramadan are those observed in Allah's month of Muharram." This hadith is also found in Sahih Muslim. Similarly, Hazrat Abdullah ibn Abbas, blessings on him, narrated that the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever fasts on the day of Ashura, it will be an expiation for the sins of the past 2 years. And whoever fasts one day in the month of Muharram will receive the reward of fasting for 30 days. When the Prophet, peace be upon him, learned that the Jews used to fast on the 10th of Muharram, he instructed the Muslims to also fast on the 9th and 10th together, to distinguish the Muslim practice from that of the Jews. In another hadith in Sahih Muslim, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Fasting on the day of Ashura, I hope from Allah that it will atone for the sins of the previous year." Hazrat Ali, blessings on him, said, "Fasting in Muharram softens the heart and subdues the desires of the self." Hazrat Hassan al-Basri, blessings on him, stated, "The day of Ashura is a day of salvation and sacrifice. Whoever fasts on this day, his heart is filled with divine light." Hazrat Shah Waliullah Bari'in said, "Fasting during Muharram is not only a sunnah of the Prophet, peace be upon him, but also elevates the soul and purifies one from sins." Besides the 9th and 10th of Muharram, we can also fast on every Monday and Thursday, as well as on the 13th, 14th, and 15th of Muharram. The 13th, 14th, and 15th of every Islamic month are known as Ayam al-Bid, the white days, so called because of the full brightness of the moon on these nights. According to a hadith in Sunan al-Tirmidhi, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "When you fast in a month, then fast on the 13th, 14th, and 15th nights of it."